Most of what you throw in the trash after cooking is still useful, and some of it is more valuable than the food itself. In the 10th place, onion skins are often tossed aside, yet they are packed with quercetin, a potent antioxidant flavonoid representing up to 36% of the outer skin's beneficial compounds. Simmering just 1 cup of dry skins in 2 liters of water for 20 minutes yields a vibrant amber gold broth that adds savory richness and beautiful golden color to homemade soup stocks. If you steep them in hot water overnight instead, this cooled liquid serves as a nourishing tonic for stressed garden plants. Alternatively, boiling these papery skins releases warm golden brown pigments that can easily dye raw cotton fabric, yarn, or eggs. Number 9. Potato peels are packed with phosphorus and dietary fiber, turning what seems like trash into a crunchy, zero-waste snack. Simply toss them with olive oil, salt, and smoked paprika, then roast them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until the edges turn golden and crackly. Beyond the kitchen, traditional folk medicine uses these clean, cooled peels as a soothing dressing for minor burns. For the garden, you can even cut out sections with sprouted eyes, let them dry overnight, and replant them to grow a fresh harvest. Just discard any green patches to avoid toxic solanine. 8th place. Eggshells provide measurable garden value because they consist of up to 97% calcium carbonate, the same mineral found in agricultural lime. Baking them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes sterilizes any lingering bacteria, making them safe to handle. Grinding the baked shells into a fine, sand-like powder allows plants to absorb the calcium within 2 to 4 weeks. This easily accessible nutrient helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes, a common issue often triggered by irregular watering. While coarser, crushed shells can form a sharp physical barrier to deter slugs and snails, pulverized eggshells deliver the fastest soil benefits, turning breakfast waste into a direct mineral boost for your backyard crops. Number 7. Used coffee grounds contain roughly 2% nitrogen by weight, offering a slow-release organic amendment for your garden. While they maintain a near-neutral pH and do not actually acidify soil, applying them in moderation around plants like blueberries, azaleas, and rhododendrons stimulates healthy growth. In the compost bin, earthworms are naturally drawn to the grounds, which helps speed up decomposition. However, keep their benefits outdoors. While often promoted as a do-it-yourself beauty scrub to reduce cellulite, any smoothing effect is purely temporary and cosmetic. The caffeine merely dehydrates the skin surface for a brief tightening effect, without causing permanent fat reduction. Number 6. The avocado pit and skin often spark viral health claims, with online blogs asserting the seed contains 70% of the fruit's total antioxidants. Peer-reviewed clinical trials do not support this, and safety experts warn against eating raw pits due to naturally occurring toxic compounds. Despite the safety warnings, these scraps offer excellent practical uses. Grating a tiny portion of the dry pit adds a sharp, nutty flavor to smoothies, though you must use it sparingly to avoid intense bitterness. Alternatively, boiling the tannin-rich pits and skins for 2 hours produces a natural pink dye that bonds beautifully to cotton fabric. For the garden, tossing the potassium-rich skins into your compost pile allows them to break down over 3 months, returning needed nutrients to the soil. 5th place. Citrus peels offer value outside of the compost pile, bridging the gap between kitchen nutrition and household utility. The colorful outer skins of oranges and lemons actually hold 15 to 30% more vitamin C per ounce than the juicy pulp inside. They are also packed with D-limonene, a natural compound studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. This solvent makes them excellent for cleaning. Infusing 1 cup of chopped peels in 2 cups of white vinegar for 2 weeks creates a potent, grease-cutting spray that outperforms water alone by 30%. While garden lore suggests scattering chopped rinds in the soil will repel houseflies, ants, and neighborhood cats, consider this a helpful household experiment rather than guaranteed science. Number 4. Carrot tops are completely safe to eat, putting to rest a long-running myth that these feathery green fronds are poisonous. This misunderstanding stems from a historical mix-up with wild poison hemlock, but cultivated carrot greens actually belong to the same botanical family as parsley. In terms of nutrition, the leaves far outshine the sweet orange root, packing roughly 6 times more vitamin C by weight. They are also packed with bone-building vitamin K, potassium, beta-carotene, and active antioxidants. To use them in the kitchen, wash the greens thoroughly to remove any soil or pesticide residue. Then, blend the leafy tops with garlic, olive oil, walnuts, parmesan, and fresh lemon juice to create a bright, peppery pesto that adds fresh flavor to pasta or roasted vegetables. Coming to the top 3, green onion roots and celery bases deliver some of the fastest visible transformations of any kitchen scrap. Placing a 2-inch green onion root end in just 1 inch of water triggers new shoot growth in about 3 days. Within 5 to 7 days, the green tops are ready to harvest again, a cycle you can easily repeat 3 to 4 times before the plant exhausts its natural energy reserves. Similarly, placing a discarded celery base in a shallow water dish prompts new stalks to emerge from the center in roughly a week. To prevent mold and bacterial growth, simply change the water every 48 hours and discard any roots that become slimy. Moving both crops into potting soil allows them to continue producing fresh greens for weeks, making this the ultimate zero-cost windowsill garden. In second place, banana peels are incredibly popular online, but their true value lies in the soil rather than viral beauty hacks. These discarded skins pack 440 milligrams of potassium per 100 grams, alongside 30 milligrams of phosphorus, 30 milligrams of magnesium, and trace B vitamins. Chopping and steeping 1 cup of peels in 2 liters of water for 24 hours creates a mild, nutrient-rich fertilizer tea that feeds hungry roses and tomatoes. But you should ignore the social media claims about teeth whitening. A clinical trial compared a banana peel slurry directly to 35% hydrogen peroxide and found the whitening effect was statistically negligible. Instead, another dental study showed that rubbing the peel actually made enamel appear slightly more yellow instead of bright white. Keep this scrap in your garden beds, where its real minerals can support plant growth. And finally, in first place, watermelon rind delivers the ultimate zero-waste surprise, completely redefining what we consider trash. While most people only eat the sweet red flesh, the white rind actually contains up to 4 times more L-citrulline, a powerful amino acid. Once consumed, your kidneys convert this compound into arginine, which naturally boosts nitric oxide production to relax blood vessels and support healthy circulation. On top of that, the rind packs significantly more dietary fiber and far less sugar than the flesh, offering a much lower glycemic load. To access these outstanding benefits, simply trim away the tough green outer skin. The crisp white layer can be sliced thin and steeped in a 1-to-1 vinegar and water brine with sugar and aromatic spices to make traditional, sweet-sour Southern pickles. Alternatively, you can simmer the strips in syrup for candied treats, or toss them into a hot stir-fry with garlic and sesame oil for a crisp, nutrient-dense crunch. Subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing for more videos on natural remedies, ancestral superfoods, and plants you can grow at home. Together, these 10 items prove that modern waste is simply an overlooked resource. By reframing scraps as raw materials for health and home, we unlock nature's hidden chemistry. Subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing for more videos on natural remedies, ancestral superfoods, and plants you can grow at home.